Hello everyone, today's video will be showing you the Elysium Iron Mini Bluetooth speaker. The Elysium brand has been missing for about more than 2 years now, I think 2.5 years. And now they are coming back with the all new Elysium Iron Mini. The one I have here is in white color, and of course it is a Bluetooth speaker as stated on the box itself. So let's just open it up now, and as you can see, everything is compactly stuffed in the box itself. You have the speaker itself wrapped in this plastic bag, and then you have some other accessories like the double 3.5mm headphone jack. This is for aux input, and then you have a leather strap. I think this is a real leather strap, as you can smell some sort of burnt smell on it, burnt skin. And then you have some screws, and then you have this micro USB cable and a user manual. That's all about it in the box itself, and those screws will be showing you what's it for. It's just to lock the leather strap onto the speaker itself. And here is the Elysium Iron Mini itself, and as you can see here, the plastic is of pretty high quality, and the full name of this speaker is actually Elysium Iron Mini by Lo-Free. I'm not sure who Lo-Free is or what they do, but I really like the aesthetics of the Iron Mini. As you can see here, it reminisces the older Bluetooth speaker, not Bluetooth speaker, the FM radio from the 1960s era with that dial on the top and the meter for your frequency. It's a very nice blend of two different eras in terms of aesthetics, and at the back here you have the subwoofer. The diaphragm is really huge, and yes, the whole thing will vibrate. We'll show you that in a minute. And then you have the two ports behind, a micro USB for charging and also the auxiliary port. At the bottom here you have 4 little rubber feet, which is very nice to have. At the top here you have the 4 buttons. You have the power and mode changing button, and then the play pause button, and a Bluetooth pairing mode, volume down and volume up. And this big knob here is to change your FM radio, and you can sync automatically by just holding the button. In terms of build quality, it's kinda ironic since its name is Iron Mini, but there's no iron in it, there's no metal. Everything is made out of plastic, and the front grille is actually again plastic. And at the top here we show you the FM radio and the Bluetooth mode and auxiliary mode. It lights up within this little translucent tube. It's a bit chromed, but light can still shine through from within. So this is actually a really nice touch in terms of aesthetics. And let's go through a demo of the sound quality of the Elysium Iron Mini right here. And here we have the FM radio mode, and as you can see here, when you turn on FM mode, it will take some time to get into the whole mode itself, and then once it starts playing you can turn the dial, and this little gauge will actually light up in white and orange, so it will tell you what frequency that you are in. And as for the leather strap, it's kinda difficult to install. You have to take the pre-included screws, put it on one end, screw it from the other side to lock it in place, and then you need to stuff it into the hole, the pre-punch hole, and then it will lock it in place. This leather strap will actually obstruct your user experience, and as you can see here, well, for me, the leather strap will just get in the way on all the buttons themselves. So that's all for the Elysium Iron Mini. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy this little run through and review of this Elysium Iron Mini. If you want the full written review, do check it out in the link in the description below. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you have a nice day and eat some nasi lemak. Thank you.